Got a new round of 3D printed penny boats. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's test it out. How many pennies do we think it will hold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it held 7 before it sank. Good job. Good job. 7 is the record so far. All right, here we go. Let's test this one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it held 5 before it sank. Well done. All right, we have a very unsuccessful print right here, but they want to try it anyway. We will print it again and try it again, but let's see. 1, 2. Ooh, it held 1, and down goes the ship. All right, let's see. We got another one. I like the shape of this one. 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, record 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14, 15, held 14 before sinking. Good job.